Hey y'all, my name is Kay, and my favorite part of Pampered Chef recipes is the seasonings. And each month I get a seasoning gift in the mail. It is called Taste Buds. It's our subscription, and this month, in February of 2023, you can get 4 months for the price of 3 months, and you can use the code that I'm going to put down in the description below for checkout when you order your Taste Buds 3-month subscription. So I'm going to unbox mine right now so you can see what's in here. Cool things about Taste Buds. 1, you get 3 main recipes and 3 seasonings that are exclusive to you each month. 2, you can get free shipping on other things that you want to buy through your Taste Buds hub. Things that go along with the recipes, or other seasonings, or maybe a refill on the seasonings that you've already used. Most of the seasoning pouches that you get have more than 1 serving in them. So, come in an envelope like this. Guess what? For February, for the love of flavor. There you go. And so we've got 3 recipes. Salisbury steak with peppered gravy. And it used the crushed peppercorn and garlic rub, which is one of my favorites. Then the creamy roasted red pepper pasta, which uses the Italian seasoning mix. That sounds yummy too. And then baked chicken scampi. I always think of shrimp for scampi, but baked chicken scampi. And then you've got 3 recipe cards with extra things to do on them. So you want more to do with the crushed peppercorn and garlic? They've got a recipe for a dipping sauce or for a chicken salad. You get extra recipes. I just think that's awesome. So that was one of the things that drew me into Pampered Chef. So what do you love about Pampered Chef? Put that down in the description for me, or down in the comments. I guess I get to write in the description, huh? So you get an Italian seasoning mix, and of course it's gluten-free like all of our seasonings, and this is 6/10 of an ounce, so a little over half an ounce. You get the Southwestern seasoning, which is going to go with your, I got a Southwestern, I got an extra seasoning this month. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so I got a Southwestern seasoning. I love the Southwestern seasoning mix, but I didn't know it was coming. There's only 3 recipes. Anyway, lots of things to do with the Southwestern seasoning mix, which means I get to go on the Taste Buds hub and look at all the exclusive recipes that they have for us there. So, Southwestern seasoning mix. Yay! And it's 1.2 ounces. That's awesome. All right. Then the crushed peppercorn garlic, 1.5 ounces of that one. And the scampi mix, which 1.3 ounces of that one. So lots of good things to do with your Taste Buds. And remember, I'm going to put a coupon code down in the description and probably in the first comment underneath this video so that you can get your first month free. So 4 months for the price of 3. So you tell me in the comments which one you are the most excited about. The Salisbury steak with peppered gravy, the creamy roasted red pepper pasta, or the baked chicken scampi. All right, that's all I've got for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.